Hello, I'm just coming home from the gym and I'm very excited. I have a package from Amazon, which I'm not expecting. I've got a lot of things coming from eBay, but nothing planned from Amazon. So stick around for the unboxing. Well, here we go. I know what it is. I just didn't realize it came from Amazon. Yes, studio microphone. High output studio headphones, model NW2000. Neewer 48 volt phantom power supply. Pop shield, pop screen for broadcasting and recording microphone. And last but not least, Neewer professional recording microphone stand. Yay! Now, hopefully, I can upgrade my pre-existing Takstar external microphone, which somehow seems to be giving me some problems, either through this external cable or the microphone itself, and I hope that it's not the port on my camcorder. But stick around for future unboxing and review videos of all this audio equipment and hopefully upgraded audio quality in my videos. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions, please leave a comment below and don't forget to subscribe to keep more awesome FM reviews coming your way.
3, 2, 1, action!
Yes, I'm excited. So excited. I can finally have semi-pro quality sound. Now, I'm not sure how to set any of this up, so I'm going to have to look at video tutorials and experiment. One thing I'd like to say is this all interfaces with my camcorder through the 3.5mm audio connection. And it does not connect to my laptop through the USB port. So I don't know how all that's going to play into incorporating it into my videos. I'm hoping that it's going to be a massive improvement because my office is kind of open. There's not a whole lot of things that deadens the noise, so there's some echoes in my videos. And like I say, in and out of recording, my past external microphones kind of just cuts in and out. So I don't really understand where the problem lies. So I spent a little bit of money, upgraded with some, I guess, maybe middle range of the bottom range audio equipment. It's nothing like the Rode audio equipment. It's kind of, like I said, it falls within the kind of the lower tier brands of audio equipment, and hey, who knows? Only time will tell. But I'm excited. Yes.